My review of the HTZ Safe driveway alarm. It comes with a small mounting piece on the back here. You just screw that in. It comes with the screws. Two shorts go back here. On the very back here, you see there's two buttons. This is how you turn it on. That'll activate the sensor. This is not actually a button, but this covers a charging port if you were to use this inside or somewhere that it would not be exposed to rain or other weather conditions. That's the sensor right in there. And that's a drain hole, in case it's, it's outdoors like mine will be. It can drain any of the excess water away. It's solar powered, and the sensor will detect movement from a vehicle or a person about 50 feet away. So it also comes with a mounting bracket that you can screw into a pole or a fence post. In this case, I'm replacing this old driveway sensor. Anyway, when this gets mounted, all you do is you pop it in. It holds it right there. Now the instruction manual says it should be slightly downturned like that. And now this sensor should be able to pick up any movement across that entire driveway. That sensor's at the end of our driveway down there, and it's able to pick up from all the way down at the end of the driveway and play a signal inside the house. So the range is really nice. I think it's it's an excellent product, and it definitely has the range that we need with a long driveway. Yeah, so here we go. And you can also on the side here change the volume and the song that's played.